Hey guys, thanks for joining me again. Today I'll be showing you how to turn your windows into something looking like a bit more clean and professional. I just did it for myself, so I thought I should share it with you all. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is, as you can see, we have all of those windows icons, and if you like them, you want to keep them, you can, but they do kind of clutter up your windows desktop, so let's remove those right now. So what you do is you right click and you select view and then select show desktop icons and uncheck that. Removes it and already makes your entire desktop look more cleaner. Now the next thing we are going to be looking at is the taskbar down here. Now you can see that there's a lot of unnecessary buttons down here, so you can do is you can right click and you see all those check icons, you can uncheck all of those, and now you can see that we only have the necessary icons here. Alright, so the next step is we are going to be removing this search box and replacing it with only the little search icon. So you can do is you can hover over the taskbar, you can right click, go up to search bar and hit show search icons. That will replace it with just a little icon, so you can click it and search. So now I'm making these icons a little bit smaller, so what I'll do, I'll right click on taskbar, go to taskbar settings and hit use small taskbar buttons. Now while you are on these settings, you can go over the colors and hit transparency effects. That will kind of give you the nice transparency to whatever the background is. Now you can also go to choose your color. I personally like the dark themes because it got a nice clean professional look to it as opposed to the light. Now if you scroll down here, you can see that there's a little accent colors. I currently have selected as yellow. I just prefer a dark gray. I think it looks nice. Alright, so you can head back over to your taskbar settings and scroll down, and if you look at these combined taskbar buttons, you can select always hide labels, and that will do is they will remove the labels and only will leave the icons. So when it's on, you will see these labels, but if you change it to always hide labels, it will only show the icons. So now you can exit out of that, and the next step is going to be centering these icons in the middle so you have a nice clean look. So what we will do is we will right click the taskbar, we will go up to the toolbars and select links. Make sure your taskbar is set to unlock, so click that, make sure it's not unlocked, and that way we'll get these little tiny bars right here. So what we'll do is we'll drag this all the way across to the other side and make sure it hits the other side. So now you can see that our icons are moved all the way over here. So what we'll do is we'll drag this out to the middle and drawing it out center about right there, and then we can remove this little titles and these little bars by right clicking, going up to show title, uncheck that, and then now you can right click and hit the lock taskbar. That will remove those, and now you have those nice and clean look. Alright, so our Windows desktop looks a lot more cleaner and professional than before without downloading any third-party software. You can add further a wallpaper in Full HD or in 4K. This will give you a more nicer and cleaner look, which will be more appealing to eyes. I think this is the right time for me to leave. Thanks for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. My name is Paul and you are watching PW Prods.